Meaning of George Balanchine.
George Balanchine.
George Balanchine.
George Balanchine.
George Balanchine. George Balanchine, 1904 to 1983, was a renowned choreographer and co-founder of the New York City Ballet. He is considered to be one of the most influential figures in 20th-century ballet, and his innovative style and approach to choreography have had a lasting impact on the art form. Balanchine's works often featured complex and intricate movements, showcasing the dancer's technical abilities while also highlighting the music and the overall composition of the ballet. His influence can still be seen in the world of dance today, and he remains an important figure in the history of ballet.